Hey everyone, my name is Vijay Shankar Sharma. Let's see if you think that I am as crazy as the title of this video or perhaps not. Today we are diving into a question that's been swirling around in the heads of many curious minds. Is everything in the universe alive and conscious? That means that all atoms are alive and conscious? Sounds wild, right? But stick with me. We're about to unravel some mind-bending concepts. First, let's break down what we mean by alive. Typically, life is characterized by growth, reproduction, and response to stimuli. But atoms? They don't grow or reproduce in the traditional sense. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, tiny particles that make up everything you see around you. They're like the Lego bricks of the universe. But here's where it gets interesting. Everything is made of atoms, and atoms are constantly moving and interacting. This brings us to the idea of panpsychism. It's a philosophical view that suggests consciousness, or a form of it, is a fundamental aspect of all matter. Yeah, even those tiny, seemingly inert atoms. Now, you might be thinking, hold up, Vijay. Is there any scientific basis for this? Well, let's dive into quantum mechanics for a moment. In the quantum world, particles like electrons and photons can exist in multiple states at once, and their behavior seems almost intentional. They don't follow the classical laws of physics that we're used to. Instead, they behave in ways that are often unpredictable and bizarre. Some scientists argue that these quantum phenomena could be hinting at a form of proto-consciousness at the atomic level. It's a stretch, sure, but it's a fascinating thought experiment. Just imagine, if every atom has a tiny piece of consciousness, then maybe, just maybe, the universe itself is a giant living entity. But let's not get too carried away. It's important to remember that these are just theories and philosophical musings. The scientific community hasn't reached a consensus on whether atoms or even subatomic particles possess any form of consciousness. In fact, many scientists remain skeptical. So, what's the takeaway here? While atoms might not be alive or conscious in the way we typically understand these terms, exploring these ideas pushes us to think deeply about the nature of reality. It challenges our perceptions and opens up new avenues for scientific and philosophical inquiry. And who knows? As our understanding of the universe continues to evolve, we might uncover evidence that changes everything we thought we knew. Do you agree? But even if you don't agree, that's exactly what I am going to prove in my next few videos. Stay curious and never stop exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. But wait, in my subsequent videos, I will scientifically prove that not only is everything alive in the universe, including all atoms and particles that make up the atoms, but everything is conscious too. Let me have your comments or questions. Please subscribe for the what's coming up soon. Check the links below for free gifts and other interesting stuff. Take care. See you soon. Catch you in the next one.